Today we're decorating cozy heart cookies with a wet on wet technique. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So today I'm using a wet on wet technique to create a beautiful fall pattern on my heart-shaped cookies. I'm outlining my cookie with a 15-second royal icing in orange, and I'm almost out of icing, so I'm just going to squeeze what I have left here and then use my scribe to get my icing out to the edge and smooth everything out. And as I said, this icing is about a 15-second consistency, but I recommend you use a 10 to 12-second consistency for wet on wet effects. And to create the plaid pattern on this cookie, I'm going to grab my darker orange icing. I'm going to squeeze a little bit out and then touch down, lift up, and with even pressure, pull a line all the way across the cookie, stop squeezing, and set my line down on the other end. And I'm going to do that all the way across the cookie, trying to leave an even space between all of the different lines. So touch down, lift up, pull a line across your cookie, stop squeezing, and touch down on the other side. And now that I have all my orange lines, I'm going to immediately grab my white icing and make a white line in between all of these orange line pairs. And you can see the icing is melting right into the heart icing, creating a wet on wet effect. And now I'm going to go in the other direction. Following the same process, squeeze out a little bit of icing, touch down, lift up with my piping bag and drag a line across, and my line broke here and I had to fill it in, and I'm just going to use my scribe to blend that together and continue on. So touch down, lift up, drag your line across and stop squeezing and lay your line down. And just keep making lines until your plaid pattern has been completed. There's just something about a cozy plaid pattern that just screams fall to me. And when you're all done, if you have any start or stop points or any bumps in your icing where the icing hasn't completely settled down, you just gently tap up and down on it with your scribe without swirling or dragging your scribe or toothpick around. That icing will settle right down. And then I'll set this cookie aside to dry, and my beautiful fall heart is done. So would you try this plaid wet on wet design on your next cookie set? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.